Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send Solaris syslogs to QRADAR server. Okay, so in here I have my Solaris server and I have my QRADAR console. Okay, so the first thing first, make sure you have connectivity in between your Solaris server and the QRADAR server. Okay, QRADAR event collector. Okay, so basically you can make a ping test from your Solaris server. Here I have prepared the documentation for your convenience. So step by step I have described the process, okay, how you can configure Solaris server and send your all the syslogs to QRADAR event collector. Okay, so here you have to specify your QRADAR event collector IP, and these are all the syslogs type you are going to send to QRADAR. Okay, so I need to edit my syslog config file and enter this command. Okay, so let me go to my Solaris server. Okay, this is my Solaris server. Let me show the version of the Solaris server. Okay, I have 5.10 Solaris server. Okay, so the syslog config file is inside the etc folder, etc directory, and you need to edit this file. Okay, so all the commands I have mentioned it here. So like go to the bottom line. If you are if you are new to command line, or if you are new to Solaris, right? So you can follow the same procedure. So you go to the bottom line and press O, then insert the command which I mentioned in here, right? Okay, after you edit syslog config file, so you need to save the file. Okay, I save my file. Then I need to, okay, before that, make sure you have placed a tab space in here. So in between your @ and the last character, here you have to enter a tab. Okay, so after that only you need to save. Okay, so after saving the file, you need to uh, restart your syslog service. So this is the command. Okay, my service is rebooted now. Now you need to go to QRADAR console and create a log source. Okay, so inside your QRADAR console, go to the admin tab, go to the log source, log sources, single log source, select Linux OS, syslogs. You can enter any name and you can enter any description here, and you can specify your groups here. So in this case, I'm not going to specify any group. So configure protocol parameters. So this is the most important one. You have to specify your Solaris server IP in here. Okay. After you enter in this IP, click finish. Okay. As you can see, now the log sources Solaris server log source already been created. Right. Now you need to go back to the console and deploy the changes. Okay, the changes already been saved. Now let me go back to the log sources. Once you select your Linux OS here as a log source type, you can see your log sources, which is just now we created. But now still we are not getting any events. So we go to the Solaris server and generate some sample syslog file. Okay, so after that we should be able to see some logs come into QRADAR server. Okay, okay, I'm inside my Solaris server, right? So I'm going to generate some sample logs file. Sorry, sample syslog messages. Okay, as you can see, now you are getting syslog messages from your Solaris server. So thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video.